Hello everyone, welcome back to Quadro 143. This is Bijon. Today also I'm going to show you nature art in vector format. So as usual I'm going to use Procreate application and iPad Air. So let's get started. I'm going to create a canvas and I have to fill up with a color. So let me use the color. I'm not going to create any color palette, so I'm just going to use it through the drawing. So I'm going to use this color and in layer 1 drag it. That's it. Now I'm going with the airbrushing, a soft brush, medium brush. I'll try medium brush once, or else soft brush. I'll do it soft brush for airbrushing. Size opacity 80 or 100, you can use it. Or yep, I'm going to double the size, 34 to 40%. Just tap it in the middle. Don't worry about it. We'll like do it. I'm going to change the color right now. Just tap it in the middle. No, don't need to do it outside. Then go to the adjustment, Gaussian blur, and make it 30%, 30 to 35%. That's it. And deselect. I'm going to use a different color on the same layer. I have to do it on the same brush as well. Just tap it, which is look like a sky. It's not mandatory because it's a vector art, so it's not hyper realistic or realistic painting, so you have to do it like that way. It's kind of cartoon type drawing, like a vector art. Actually it's easiest way to draw anything. For beginners, I think vector art is the best procedure to draw and best procedure to learn digital art. Anyone can draw if you are an artist or if you're not. I already mentioned my previous video, so you can do it. I'm using the Gaussian blur from the adjustment and just make it 10 to 15%. And I'm going to use same layer. I'm not going to change any layer right now. So I'm going to use the cloud brush from the elements and just tap it using the same color, opacity 80%. Just tap it few taps or like on the of the white color where I have used or like already used through airbrushing soft brush. Few places you have to tap it, which is look like more sky, like it's a cloud. And I'm using the cloud brush as well. So it's okay. So I few of them tap over above the white color, and same thing I'll do it because it's visible properly. I'm going to use different color, and lower portion I have to use it little bit like a size. I'm going to just size, you can measure it like how you are going to use it. I'm just going down a little bit more. I don't think so I have to do it anymore with this. Few of them top of the places also here. Okay, I'm done with this place. I'm going to use another layer 2. Going to use a different color. It's darker green. I'm going to use it using the basketball brush from inking. I have to draw a line first. Just do it like that way. Yeah, size is a little bit low. In the middle, not middle, 80%, 80 or 70%. Okay, just do it like that. Yep, you have to do it like this way. Just drag it, color filled up. Now you have to do it. You have to go to the artistic Tardia brush or else rainforest brush. I think I should have used the rainforest from the organic. Tardia, it's bigger. So I'm going to do it like the upper portion of this layer. I'm going to just do it which just look like a tree, like any grass or tree which is look like the upper portion. So you have to do it like that way. Let me fill up this one. All the layer you have to the color on the only the top portion you have to do it. Let me fill up first. So I'm done with the layer 2. I'm going to create another layer 3, and above the layer 2, layer 3, or else I'm going to use underneath, because this is the font of portion I have drawn using the different color. And I'm going to do the same thing like as I did on that time, same the way, but this one it's bigger. It's a mountain peak, if you call like, yeah, like that way. But if you think like the why I'm going to use this color, doesn't matter, like it's a vector art, so you can use any color. If you want to use red color, you can use it, but which is look good, then you can change the color. On this portion I'm going to use like the same thing, you have to do it, but this time I'm going to use stylia brush, because stylia it's a bigger portion, so I'm going to do it the same thing, which is only the upper portion. I have to just draw it's look like a grass. I'm going to use another layer 4. I'm going to use a different color as well, but this one peak I'm going to use a little bit more, only 3 peak I'm going to use it, which just look like a mountain. And this is like as I told you, anyone can draw this kind of painting. Vector art is the easiest way for beginners who is try to learn digital art, that like those people can draw like this. Just check on my video, I'll show you, and if you have any problem, do let me know in the comment section. I'll guide you step by step. So basically my point, if you are going to use the Procreate, that's the easiest way to draw this kind of painting. So I'm going to use another layer, and I'm going to just opacity down a little bit, just a few tap over there, because I don't think so like the skies look good for me. Let me do it these things a little bit in funny way. Okay, I have to create another layer, sorry for that. Okay, so I have to just make it like that way. First I'm going to do it one, then I will show you step by step. Okay, these kind of things which is look more pretty. I'm going to use syrup brush, which is easiest, it's look like a pencil. So let me do few of them, check it out like a step by step, but not you don't do like lots of, you have to do it few of them. Okay, I'm done. Now I'm going to use adjustment Gaussian blur, just blur it 10% or 8 or 9, just blur it and deselect. Now I'm going to select the upper portion, only this one, make sure select and flip it. Oh no, sorry, here I have to copy first. Okay, I'll let guide you. Select first, you have to select, copy and paste, then again select, flip it. See, it's totally opposite. And the lower portion I'm going to draw a river, so let me first merge it. Okay, I'm done with merging. Now I'm going to use a artistic stylia brush or leatherwood brush. This is good. Opacity down. Okay, though I have to change. Okay, this one I'm going to use just few tap first, then I'll tell you what you have to do. Or any kind of brush. This is good also. Just tap few taps over there and blur it. or else you can blur it through adjustment Gaussian blur, but I'm just going to few taps, so it's the easiest way. It's look prominent. Then I'm going to use the Gaussian blur and blur it 3 to 4%. Yeah, 5% or 6%. Yep, I'm done. Now if you think like it's look good now, I'm going to with the layer 5 going this color, and I'm going to draw something on the right hand side and the left hand side as well. Just drag a line first and do it like this. Drag the color. Same thing I will do it here as well, but this one is a little bit smaller. Yeah, same thing, just drag it. Okay, now I am going to I'll do the same thing on that Tarallia. I'm going to use it, or organic rainforest brush I'm going to use. Same thing, you have to just fill up the upper portion, then it's look like something like a grass or tree over there. Few taps, not mandatory you have to do it like that. It's look good. Same thing as well, I have to do it on the left side. That's left side I'm going to use only the left portion, and the front portion I just leave it like that way. I'm going to use medium hard brush. Color I'm going to use a little bit darker. Now I'm going to draw a tree branch a little bit smaller on the right side, few of them. It's good. Now I think 2 of them I'm going to use it little bit, this one a little bit bigger one. Yeah, it's look good now, but forget about the lower portion, we'll do it later on. First you have to draw the tree branch, and just a few of tree branch. Make sure you have to change the size when you draw the tree branch. You can use, as I told you before, either you can use it from the studio pen, or else medium hard brush is good. Now I'm going to use artistic Tarallia brush, same color, a little bit 2% size, and just tap it, which is look like a tree. So stay on my video, focused on the work what I'm doing. Let me do it first. This is the easiest way to draw a tree with Tarallia or organic rainforest brush. So let me do these things first. See, I told you it's look tree now. I'm going to use another layer with the box this process. Do it the same thing here, but this one it's big. Drag the color. This time I'm going to use the black color, because I'm going to use the same. I have to draw some tree branches here first. First you have to draw as you know, I already did several times. You have to draw just few of them in the front portion. In the top portion you have to just make it which just look like a tree, as I told you. Let's look good now. Now I'm going to use airbrushing. Just make it the lower portion blurred it. Just look prominent here as well. See, now it's not it's good. Sorry, it's good now. Okay, I'm going to go to the previous process. Same thing, Tarallia. Just few tap. I'm almost done with this layer, but I have to draw some tree branches here as well, but bigger one. That I'm going to use airbrushing medium hand brush, but this time I'm going to use a little bit more bigger one. So 2 of them I'm going to use. This one here, and the one it's little bit patchy. Now, yeah, like this. See, it's looking nice now, but I have to do a little bit more tree branches. I have to just drop down the size. Yeah, okay, few tree branches here. As usual, as I did the previous tree, you have to do it like that same way. You can use either organic rainforest brush, or else you can use Tarallia. I'm going to use for this kind of tree, I'm going to use the Tarallia one. So check it out like how I'm going to use it. Few taps, like just do it like this way. So check it out. Let me do it first. Size, it's up to you like how you're going to change the size. See, let me do it first. Okay, so I'm done with the tree. I'm going to use studio pen from inking for few like a sharp tree branch, few of them first under like a middle of the tree, then few of them here, which is look prominent and look exactly the same. So how like a tree branch look, few of them here. Yeah, now see, I told you with the Terralia brush, with the help of Terralia brush, you can draw tree easily. I hope you already checked the video. It was like I make it first because otherwise the video was too long. So I hope you like on how I draw the how I drew the tree. If you like tree branch, it's not mandatory you have to do it like me. You can do it whatever, or like how many tree branch you need to draw, you can do it like that way. I'm doing it properly, like not so much, but maybe little bit more, but yeah, you can use it like that way. So you have to do it like this one. I'm going to use same brush, just few tap on the lower portion. You can just check, yeah, a few of them, like a little bit more grasses. You have to do it like this one, the lower portion, like this one. This is the way you can do it. Few of them like with the basketball brush, you have to do it the totally lower portion. So you have to do it like this way. Now I'm going to use from selection tool, and I have to do the alpha lock using this color, and now using the airbrushing medium hard brush, few tap on the river, few tap. Don't worry about that because I'm going to blur it as we said, like which is look like a tree. I'm going to blur first this color. I'm going to use a different color in the lower portion as well. You have to blur, but don't use so many colors. This color, like you can use few of them. Either you can use it like you can create a new layer and do it through Gaussian blur. I'm going to do it bigger because I'm not going to, not complicated. I'm not going to do it. This is like easiest way to draw, so I'm going to I'll try to use easiest way. So this portion I'm done, so it's now look like a river. I'm going to use this color in the lower section, few tap, and I have to do it. I have to just merge it like that. Just I have to blur it like this way. You can do it easily, like this is the easiest way. So I hope I'm done with this painting. And like as I told you, this is the easiest way, the easiest nature art in vector format. Any beginners or anyone like who is like who don't know how to draw anything, who don't know, who is not artist basically, even they can do it. So do let me know, even like and I would like to see your artwork. Do let me know in the comment section your channel name or your artwork, and mention my channel name, so I would love to see your artwork. Thank you so much for watching this video. We'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much once again. Have a nice day. Bye bye.